Today I want to show some details working with Svantek's Supervisor's Lite software. Basically how you can go into the data and work with it and easily export it to Excel. So I'm in Svantek Supervisor Lite software. If I go to the data browser, I can see the different instruments data. I've got data from different instruments here. For example, the SV104A is a dosimeter with Bluetooth. And if I go to, say, this file, if I was interested in this file, I could, and just the results from it, first thing I could do is go in and I could assign the location. So you can add new locations or choose from ones you've already added before. So leave it at the construction site. You can change the user, whoever was actually wearing the dosimeter. This is all by left clicking on this field. Same thing under task. Maybe this was actually grinding. So I left clicked, I click on grinding. Now that the task is grinding. And if I keep going across, I can see that I've got the LEQ, the LPeak, and this is nice that you can actually move them. I can click and drag and they'll change spots. And say if I wanted to have some other kind of indication or reading here, I can right click on it on the heading here, and I could choose and I could change it to something different, whatever it might be. You have a pretty big selection of things. So when you get this looking the way that you like it with whatever results, you can just go to this file. If you just want to only send these individual details to Excel, you export this table selection and call it session 2 and export it. Just go take a look here. Okay, so we really just have that one line that's been exported, and you can clean that up in Excel. Okay, so now I want to export the raw readings from the instrument. So if I double click this, I could go into the validation tool and I could use some of the advanced features like removing uh, noise levels from high vibration, uh, times when the unit wasn't worn. I can, if I have the audio events option, I could listen to the very small clips of the data to make sure that it's really industrial noise for exposure and not some other noise that should be removed. So I can clean up the data using that. But if I'm really looking to just export to Excel, I'll use the default template. And you'll see that it opens up different options here. Now I can put together a report by adding and removing panels of data. But this logger results, this is our graph here. But if I want to see this as a table, I just click to make it a table. And I can clean up whatever I see here in this table as well. If I go to configuration, I don't even click on it. I just put the mouse over it. And if I want to take out the LAE, or maybe the LAS, I'm not worried about the minimum here. If I unclick that, that'll be removed from the table. But you can see I have profile 1, all the readings that are set for ACGIH right now. Actually, all 3 are set for ACGIH, but you could put summaries in there. You could, I don't care about events, and I just want the raw data. So I'll take that out. Now, when I get it the way I like, I can come out of that, and now I can go over and I just click this little square here. It'll highlight everything in the table. Actually, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to remove these two because I don't want that. And I'll go back over. Now, so clicking this, it highlights everything in the table. And all I do is go up here to send to Excel. Okay, and there's my data that's been exported, and I can save and work with this within Excel rather than. But I've used the Svantek software to clean up the data. There's other things you can do here too, like delete blocks of data. You can go through and make sure that you're only exporting the data that you want. But that's a quick overview of how to move the raw data that's collected into Excel to be manipulated.